Toronto is the rail capital of Canada. With Union Station nestled directly downtown, you can see hundreds of passenger trains a day coming in and out of the station. Toronto Union Station is one of the true gems of North American railway stations. The concourse is grand and includes a large central gathering area where ticket agents are, as well as an information booth and grand clock. From here, you can access various waiting areas, a food court, downtown, and of course the platforms. The platforms were recently renovated over a multi-year process and are now in better condition than ever. Here you can board GO Transit, Amtrak, and of course Via Rail trains. The Upper Pearson Express uses a separate platform just to the west of this location. Just south of Union Station and the CN Tower is the Toronto Railway Museum. This park includes many unique pieces of equipment like Canadian National 6213, a U2 class Northern built in 1942 by the Montreal Locomotive Works. Canadian National 4803 is a GP7 that was built by GMD in London, Ontario. This unit was built in 1953 and was donated to the City of Toronto in 1984. Canadian Pacific 7020 is an Elco S2 that was built in 1944. It was retired in 1986 and donated to the City of Toronto. It wears its original paint scheme. Canadian Pacific 7069 is a Baldwin DS4-4-1000. It was built in 1948 by Baldwin Locomotive Works. It is privately owned, but is loaned to the museum for display in their downtown Toronto location. Canadian Pacific car Cape Race is a luxury first-class car including sleeping space, a smoking room, lounge, solar room, and a small buffet. The pair of cabooses outside are Toronto, Hamilton, and Buffalo Railway number 70 and Canadian National number 79144. Both of these cabooses have had their interiors and exteriors restored by museum staff and volunteers. A recent acquisition and restoration, GO Transit cab car number 104, was built by the Hawker Siddeley plant in Thunder Bay in 1967. It was restored in 2017 as part of GO Transit's 50th anniversary. A visit to Toronto would not be complete without seeing Via Rail, Canada's national passenger rail carrier. Our final shot in Toronto would be the classic CN Tower shot, as an outbound GO Transit train passes by an inbound which would get started once they clear. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to Michigan Central Shorts and check out our main channel, Michigan Central Lines.